I just found a really cool project in terms of generative AI, which is called as CassIO. CassIO is a solution for integrating Apache Cassandra with Gen AI and other ML workloads. It's a powerful Python library which simplifies the complicated process of accessing the advanced features of the Cassandra database, including vector search capabilities. And in my experience with Cassandra, vector search is always a contentious one, I would say. Really cool, but quite complex. With CassIO, developers can fully concentrate on designing and perfecting their AI systems without any concerns regarding the complexities of the integration with Cassandra. And when I tried installing it, it was really, really simple. All you need to do is to do pip install CassIO, and that's about it. So once you do that, you can go ahead and keep using it. Okay. And I will also share the GitHub repo of this project in video's description. Now on your screen, you can see a very high level architecture of CassIO. Just to give you a quick overview, in this architecture, what we are showing is as how CassIO is simplifying accessing the Cassandra. And this diagram is from the perspective of Gen AI. And as I said previously, CassIO is adaptable to various frameworks, utilizing thin adapters tailored to fit the particular interfaces of each framework while taking advantage of the features offered by CassIO. Now, as you can see, there are few mediators such as LangChain and Lamandex, and also there is a Cassandra database in the mix, plus some of your client apps and example notebooks on the edge, where you are importing LangChain and then talking to the um, LangChain library after importing it, which is in return talking to CassIO. So as I have been following CassIO, I can see that it is evolving quite rapidly, and but still a long way to go because right now only LangChain is supported, and they also need some forking of LangChain. So, but if you go to their website and follow their DB setup and API setup instruction, you should be fine. And they also have something called as Extra DB for DB setup, which you can access at extra.datastacks.com. All you need to do is to sign up and use the extra DB in the free tier. And there are a lot of tutorials on their website which are very nicely written, which you can follow up and then install the DB, this extra DB. API setup again is very simple. All you need to do is to create few templates and then insert your valid credential, and that's about it. And this is what I have found really good with this new project. That setup is quite simple. In at a very high level, what I did was cloned the GitHub repo, and then I checked out the branch. Then I exported few environment variables, and then by using and I clean and build real clean. So, and then once that was done, in order to run it, just run with Cassandra command line utility with few flags, and then um, there were some other steps which we need to do, but they were really, really simple, and they are readily available on their website. And I will put the link in the video's description. But if still you have any issues, any problems, please message me, and I will try to create a video around it. All in all, great project. Can't wait to really see it evolving. If you have any feedback, please put in the comment section. Thank you.